What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best portable tire inflators on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Avid Power Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Avid Power's pistol grip device got our best overall tire inflator nod. Unfortunately, this Avid Power portable console compressor was also the loudest among its rivals and, out of all the tire inflators here, the slowest to both 30 and 45 psi. Oh, it got the job done and offers most of the bonus features and attachments we were looking for, save for a battery option. And its price point is decidedly consumer-friendly. If you're just looking for an affordable household inflator, the Avid will certainly suffice. If you want to get the best value from a console inflator, though, and that evaluation entails not just cost but factors such as efficiency, inflation speed, and noise, we recommend going with one of the other options here. Prosk. Pro includes 2 hoses, one for high-pressure tires, balls, and one for high-volume rafts, air mattresses, applications. Plenty of attachments. Pro comes in 3 colors. Cons. Con will not fully inflate heavy-duty truck, van, or RV tires. Relatively loud and slow to inflate tires.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is VIAIR 400p Portable Compressor Kit. VIAIR is a trusted name in air compressors, and this model is its top of the line. Suitable for all tires from truck to bicycle, it quickly supplies air with an easy-to-use hose. The included 8-foot-long power cord connects to your vehicle's battery terminals. Your vehicle's engine must be running to use this product so you won't drain the battery. It is not suitable for home use. The manufacturer claims that the product takes less than 6 minutes to inflate a 35-inch tire or smaller from 0 to 30 psi. Its listed maximum pressure is 150 psi, but we have noted that the digital gauge reads only to 100 psi. However, since most passenger vehicle tires inflate to only about 35 pi, that should not be a major issue. It would have been convenient if this product automatically were to shut down when the desired pressure level were achieved, but you need to turn the unit off manually.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Tire Inflator. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Cordless Inflator is suitable for just about any tire needing a fill-up, or anything else, including bikes, beach toys, and camping mattresses. The package includes a ball needle as well as adapters for various non-standard valves. We note that one battery charge may be enough to inflate 2 35-inch tires. However, the lithium-ion battery required for power must be purchased separately unless you ante up for the manufacturer's higher-priced kit. A digital pressure gauge and automatic shoot-off take the guesswork out of trying to decipher whether a tire is full. We note that this unit may be quieter than similar products, and its small size makes it stowable and packable for life on the road or just to keep around the home for everyday needs.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Your vehicle can power many machines through its 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet. While a number of tire inflators can get their juice this way, we especially recommend this affordable pump, which features a 10-foot power cord and an easy-to-read digital display. Despite its 8x 7-inch size, it has the power to inflate a standard vehicle tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes, according to the manufacturer. We especially appreciate that this product is 3-button programmable, so the machine shuts off after it reaches the pressure you set. Because you may need to inflate a tire in the dark. The LCD screen is backlit for easy visibility, and the unit also includes a handy built-in flashlight. The package also includes a nozzle to blow up other inflatables, including those with Schrader or Presta valves, as well as an ACK adapter for home use. You can attach the air hose to the intake valve using the included quick connector or the screw rotation.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is TEROMAS Tire Inflator Air Compressor. While numerous tire inflators can be used at home for toys, balls, and the like, we recommend the TEROMAS for its lightweight portability, IDEAR 2.5 pounds, ease of use, and accuracy. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it inflates just about anything that needs air, thanks to the included 3 additional adapters. With this package, you get a 5-foot ACK cord. If you notice in the garage that your car's tires are low, you can just plug the unit into a standard outlet and fill them up. You also get a 10.5-foot power cord that plugs into a vehicle cigarette lighter for on-the-go use. While this product is a little slower than many we evaluated for this article, you can still expect it to inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in less than 4 minutes. To operate it, you program the desired pressure, press a button, and wait for the pressure to be achieved. The unit automatically shuts off when finished. You can track the process on the digital gauge.